Water. Objectives. After completing this chapter, the students will be able to recognize and identify the way in which we use water. Identify the places from where we get water.
How do we use water in household works?
People, animals, and plants all need water to survive. We use water for many things. Drinking. There is no life without water. Water is very important for our body. Water helps to maintain a healthy body. Cooking. We use water for cooking, washing vegetables, and for a variety of other purposes. Washing clothes. We use water for washing our dirty clothes. After a wash, our clothes look shiny. Brushing teeth. We use water while brushing our teeth. Showers and baths. Bath is washing or soaking of all or part of the body. Bathing gives us freshness. We use bucket of water or shower for bathing. Flushing the toilet. When we use toilet, it smells badly, so we use water for flushing our toilets. We use most of water in our toilets. Washing hands. We use water to wash our hands before eating and after using the toilet.
In irrigation.
In irrigation, farmers use water to irrigate their crops when tree crops need water. Irrigation needs more water. As a mode of transportation. Water is used as a mode of transport by boats and ships. Water is very cheap and easy way of transportation. To generate electricity. To generate electricity. Electricity is generated by water with the help of large machines called turbines. How do we get water? How do we get water? We need water to do our daily life works. We get water from many places like lake, well, tube well, pond, waterfall, hand pump, river, stream, tap, tank, sea, hot water spring, etc.